Hey everybody, I'm Jason Donati, teaching professor of animation and game art in CAMD, and also part of the AI Faculty Fellows Program this academic year here at Northeastern. Talking about current AI use, I've recently started introducing AI tools in my courses to see how they can support creativity rather than replace it. For instance, in animation basics, students use Adobe Firefly to explore character, environment, and prop style references. Experiment with color palettes and color styling, and visualize early design ideas before they get into the full animation production process. It helps them move past the blank page stage and see possibilities faster. Pre-production for animation, exploring how ChatGPT and Claude may be able to help students brainstorm early ideas, refine project statements, and develop narrative clarity. The goal is not to just use AI, but to reflect on when and why it's useful and how to stay transparent about authorship and creative intent. In Animation 3, an upper level elective, the course focuses on physics-based dynamic simulations that support character animation in a mini narrative. But I'm exploring how Maya's Motion Maker AI tool can help streamline the character animation process, allowing students to spend more time on the course's primary focus, which is building, testing, and refining realistic dynamic motion and simulation systems, and not the character animation. In my personal creative practice, I'm also experimenting with Gen AI tools like Stable Diffusion, Comfy UI, Mesh AI, Weavy AI, exploring how these systems can help visualize concepts and prototype 3D ideas more quickly within current animation workflows. Impact and benefits. The biggest benefit so far has been how these tools help students move through the early ideation and technical setup faster, giving us more time to refine storytelling design and emotional narrative intent, parts in the process that require sort of a real human creativity. Challenges in the future. The main challenge is balance, I think, in exploring curiosity without letting the convenience of AI sort of take over. Looking ahead in my crystal ball, I see AI becoming a regular part of creative workflows for independent artists and studio environments, really from concept art to production, animation, and final rendering. The bigger evolution, though, I think is going to be cultural education and in sort of professional studio environments, how to use the tools, but stay critical, ethical, and imaginative while using them.